Hey, aviation enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the fascinating history of the Boeing 747, also known as the Queen of the Skies. Did you know that this iconic aircraft was originally conceived as a freighter plane? That's right, Boeing designed it in 1949, and the first flight took place in 1954. However, due to the costs associated with developing a new engine to power such a large plane, they had to put it on hold. Fast forward to 1963, when Boeing decided to revive the project and focus solely on a passenger plane. The first flight of this reimagined masterpiece was in 1968, and it quickly became a legend in aviation history. The original Boeing 747 featured two decks, boasting an impressive capacity of 375 passengers and a range of 730 miles. That's quite a feat for an aircraft that's still in use today. Although some versions have been phased out over the years, there are still various Boeing 747 derivatives in operation around the world. As for why Boeing eventually discontinued production, it was due to an aging airplane that became less efficient compared to its newer counterparts like the A380 from Airbus. Great news! Calling all trivia buffs and celeb fanatics, I'm cooking up something special where you can guess your way to a gift card signed by a big name. Stay tuned for more details and get ready to play detective. Stay tuned for more clues and get ready to play. Thank you for joining me on this journey through aviation history. If you enjoyed this video and want more content like this, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for future updates. Safe travels, until next time.